So here's how to add house name in Google Maps on your mobile device. First, you want to open Google Maps and then locate your house. Now you want to click on the satellite view from here and switch it to satellite. And then you want to tap on your house to mark it down. So you should tap and hold till you get this red marker, and then you want to scroll down a bit in this window, and then you want to click on add a missing place. And now you should enter the place name, the category, and the address. So for example, my house for the place name, and then for the category you want to click on residential and then apartment building. And then you want to click on edit map location and make sure the marker is on top of the house pointing directly to it. And then click on OK. Now you want to scroll down and click on submit. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.